Hello?
Hello, sir. I'm calling for Diane.
Sir, this is Diane. When we incorrectly assume one's gender identity, we've misgendered them. Accidental misgendering happens all the time. A simple apology is the best way to move forward, but it can still be uncomfortable and embarrassing for all involved. Beyond being awkward, these flubs can have severe unintended consequences. Those of us who have had to reckon with our gender identity may feel vulnerable, exposed, insecure, or out of place when misgendered. Many of us have faced systemic violence which targets non-conforming gender expression, and being misgendered can cause us to experience very real psychological trauma. Lucky for us, we have tools to avoid these mishaps. Proactively asking people what pronouns they use, even when their gender expression seems obvious, shows that you care about their safety and humanity without forcing them to disclose the details of their identity. By sharing your own gender pronouns in email signatures, online profiles, name tags, and business cards, you're normalizing equitable respect for all gender identities. You're also making it easier for the most vulnerable of us to share our pronouns. Through open communication, we can create trusting relationships and kinder, more inclusive environments for all.